Hey guys, how's it going? We're back on the LS Fox body. I'm getting ready to drop the motor in here in a minute, but before we did that, figured I would go ahead and hook up steering. So everything that it came with, I put one U-joint on already. It just goes pretty much like that. And then this, and then one that goes up to there. They didn't have a 3-inch, they told me, so the kit's supposed to come with a 6-inch shaft, 2 U-joints, and a 3-inch shaft. I bought a 6-inch, I cut it, and then it did not want to fit at all, so I ended up having to shave it down. Not the prettiest, but you'll never notice it once it's inside there. So now everything fits, and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Rafa's not here today, so there's nobody to hold the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this while the steering shaft is in. Since the last video, you guys saw the car on the trailer. It was dark out. Now we got the car inside, everything going like that. Here's the car during the day, underneath some light actually. Same thing that you guys saw before, but I don't know, now you guys can actually see it. I put the steering shaft in. I kind of grinded it a little bit too much, so it is a little loose. Everything does work though. So the only thing I'm gonna do here is grind off right here, throw a couple little tack welds around it, just that way everything's fine on it. You can see it right there. So I'll probably do that right now before I put the motor in. All right guys, I'm gonna start jacking up the motor to take it off the engine stand right now. And that's pretty much about it. Guys, I stopped the video back there a little bit ago. I'm starting it back up now. Where it was positioned wasn't really a good position at. As of right now, motor's almost all the way into the car. Just gonna fight it a little bit just to get the motor mounts to sit right. That's pretty much about all. So here we are, guys. Put the motor in, took me about 15 minutes. Everything's in, everything's tight. The only thing I have to do now is just tighten up the actual mounts. Other than that, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna put it up on jack stands. All the lifts are occupied at the moment, otherwise I'd have it on a lift, hopefully get the transmission in tomorrow, put tranny and drive shaft in tomorrow. Guys, so that's it for this video. We just put we got it to steer, and we put the motor in today. Tomorrow we'll put the transmission in. It's gonna be a carbureted setup, and that's pretty much all that there is to it. Nothing crazy. Sorry it took so long to make the video. We were waiting for the steering shaft to come in. It was the very first thing that I ordered and the very last thing to show up. I just wanted to get that in before I put the motor in and trying to fight around it. So thank you guys. You guys will see more here pretty shortly.